If you're seeing a CapCut error during download or installation, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest ways to fix it step by step. Whether the download is failing, the installer won't open, or CapCut just refuses to install properly, these simple checks can solve the problem fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. First, let's check the system requirements. CapCut needs a compatible device to run properly, so make sure your computer meets the minimum specs. On Windows, you should be using Windows 10 or Windows 11 in 64-bit, and ideally you should have at least 4 GB of RAM or more. If your system is older, low on memory, or missing important updates, that could be the reason the download or installer is not working correctly. So before anything else, confirm your device is ready to support CapCut. Next, always download CapCut from an official source. This is one of the most important steps because downloading from unofficial websites can give you corrupted files, broken installers, or even unsafe software. The best option is to go directly to the official CapCut website or use the Microsoft Store if you're on Windows. When you download from the official source, you reduce the chance of errors and make sure you're getting the latest version of the app. If the file you downloaded still gives you trouble, the next fix is to run the installer as administrator. On Windows, right-click the CapCut DEXE file and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the installer the permissions it needs to make changes on your system, which often solves download or setup errors that happen because of restricted access. If a normal install fails, this step can make a big difference. After that, wait for the installer to finish, and if needed, restart your computer and try again. A fresh restart can clear temporary issues that may be blocking the installation. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable while downloading, because an interrupted download can cause the file to fail before installation even begins. So, to recap, if CapCut is giving you an error on download, first check your system requirements, then download only from the official CapCut website or Microsoft Store, and if needed, run the installer as administrator. Those are the most effective first steps to get CapCut installed properly again. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.